Hey guys, welcome to John Rule 16. I am your host Javon, and today we have a brand new benchmark for the Kuni 2 Revenant Kingdom for the Nintendo Switch. That's right, today we're testing out the YUZU emulator on my Intel Core i7-4790 with the AMD RX-570 4GB VRAM graphics card. They're running with 16GB of DDR3 RAM in dual channel memory mode, and you're probably wondering to yourself, Javon, why are you playing a PC game on the YUZU emulator? Because I test everything, damn it. And that's why I test everything on the channel here. If you're new to the channel, basically I do every benchmark for everything with RPCS3 Xenia or YUZU. Does not matter if it's on PC or not. Plus, this is the Princess Edition, so I really was curious to see how this runs on this YUZU emulator. Shockingly, it runs quite damn well. Now, once again, we are running with 16GB of DDR3 RAM. It's really helping out. We have 7 gigs already overtaken. This guy, Evan, man. This guy, every time. I like this game. Didn't play very long, but I didn't like this. I like this better than the first one. I've always said that. Might just bust a cap in him one time. I was like, nope.
That'll teach me to get trigger happy. They're not here to protect you. Get back.
It's quite nice though. It's running really well. Honestly, it might play better on this than the PC version, to be fair. Obviously, it's downgraded, of course, though, but nonetheless. Now, this is the first time I am launching the game, so it will compile shaders. So when you see stutters, just look at the bottom right and you can see building shaders. That means it has to take in the shader, so it does stutter in those moments. But that's going to be far and in between, you know? For what it is right now, it's running really well. Didn't expect this type of performance. You can play this day one. The next test I do is to see if can you play a game like this right off the bat without having to play it once first to then do it again. Yes, this one you can. It would seem, at least. It's playing really well right off the jump. And this area in the PC version is actually really demanding, and it seems to be handling it. To be fair, I haven't started walking yet though. Like I said, this area is very demanding, and it's still holding it. Yeah, it's holding it. This area is demanding in the PC version. It runs, man. It just runs. And the CPU and GPU aren't being pushed, which is also nice. Look at that. See, combat the second time doesn't even have a stutter. It's learned from the first encounter, and it's ready. But once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. If you enjoy seeing these benchmarks for YUZU, RPCS3, and Xenia, hey, I'm the guy to go to. I show you how to get everything's runnings, mans. I shows you how to get everything runnings. You want to deal with integrated graphics as well for just PC gaming? I'm here as well. I show you how to run low-end games on low-end hardware. But once again, I hope you guys subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. We're trying to be the low-spec gamer up in here. I'm just gonna mute myself to just enjoy the rest of the gameplay.
Sir.
Sorry, Evan. I came as quickly as I could. Nella! Evan!
Thanks.
Thank you.